Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Celebi from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a curved line to create sphere from circle. Convert the sphere into teardrop shape. Draw mouth. Draw another curved line to mark the eye position. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eye. Detail the head. Draw U shape for the body. Detail the body. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw wing. Draw wing. Draw eyebrow. Draw eyebrow. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.